What's up guys, it's your boy Kaustubh here. In today's video, we will be taking a look at the Rapoo V52s RGB keyboard. So without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So coming to the first point is the build quality. As soon as you get your hands on this keyboard, you will get the feel of it, which is quite premium. Another thing to mention is the weight of the keyboard, which is heavy and feels quite well built. Due to the heaviness, the keyboard doesn't slide or wobble on your table during intense gaming session. If you take a look below, there are two rubber standoffs provided which do lift up the keyboard, which make it easier to use. Second point is the key mechanism. This keyboard is not fully mechanical and just has a mechanical membrane to give you that feel of a mechanical keyboard. Also, it misses out on Cherry MX keys, but at this price point you can't complain, right? Also, it has RGB backlighting too, and this RGB lighting has decent enough customization features which work well, and it is quite bright too. So to customize it, just press the function and the LED buttons once and it will go to breathing mode. Then just press the LED button, it will change the pattern, and by pressing it again it will do the same thing but at a slower rate. All the keys are placed in a declined manner for ease of use and ergonomics. This keyboard also comes with various function keys on the top, as well as I have seen this new sort of function which is a Windows lock, which is not working for me at least, but it's good to have it too. Also to mention is the sound of the keys while using it, which is what it is all about, and it sounds quite similar to that of a mechanical keyboard. Another point is the spill-proof design. Yes, you heard it right. Even if you spill any liquid onto the keyboard, it can be cleaned easily without damaging the keyboard. The keys on the keyboard can also be replaced with keys of your choice just by plugging it out simply. Also talking about the cable design, then it's a normal cable and not a braided cable, but at this price point this is what we can expect. So coming to the final point is the price of this keyboard, which retails for around 2200 Indian rupees as of now. And in my opinion, it's quite a budget friendly price if you're looking for a good quality mechanical feeling keyboard. The overall quality is quite premium enough and feels like it has been last long to build. So that's about it from my side. I hope you guys like this video and also get subscribed to my channel for more upcoming videos. This is your boy Kaustubh here from Tech to Explore signing off. You guys have a great day.